What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. So, typically, my quick tips have been geared towards everybody. This one is going to be geared a little bit towards the flag makers. I know a lot of my friends on Instagram and stuff like that, they are all big into the flag building. So, with that being said, Father's Day, my wife got me one of those Worx Pegasus tables. And I am telling you guys, if you do flags, this will instantly change how you do your glue ups, the quickness, the efficiency, everything about it. So I'm going to bring the camera down here. I'm going to show you guys. I have a flag gluing up right now. I'll show you guys just how awesome these things are, okay? Alright guys, so here it is. So check this thing out. The clamps are built into the table. And what I do is I put these little, I think they call them chalk dogs or whatever. I slide just a piece of wood in here. It just holds the flag straight there. And then I put another, like maybe a stripe that was too big or, you know, warped or whatever. I put that across the top and across the bottom. And that puts continuous pressure all the way around the flag. Now, every now and then, if you have a little separation right here from miscut or maybe the board was a little bit tweaked, you can take just your third clamp and you can run it just like that. And that will pull the stripes into the top of the union better. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I use it for every flag I build. Everything. So 1 second, let's get you guys back up here. So yeah guys, I just figured I was out here using it and I thought about it. I'm like, man, I wonder how many of the other flag builders I have out there use this, because I don't ever really see any of them in Instagram posts. And I'm like, maybe they just don't know. So I wanted to jump on here, show you guys this table, and thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to check in on Sunday for another build video, and as always guys, let's get to work.